In this lesson, we are going to seed sample users. What we're gonna do is to create a user model and then create two sample users, admin users and customer user. Then generate encrypted password for them. And at the end, we will have two users in the database for the next lesson, which is sign in backend API. To get the source code of this lesson, go to the repository, find commits for video 21 seed sample users and compare your code with mine. Let's get to code. Here is the plan to seed sample users. Like what we did for products, go to products model, duplicate that and rename it to user model. So the first step is creating user model. Remove all fields and only keep the name. It's gonna be the username. The next field is the email of user. It's required and unique. Next one is the password of user. The next field is admin. It's a Boolean field. By default, it's false and it's required too. For the name field, I'm going to get rid of unique because two users may have the same name. Change product to user here and here. Make it user here and here. Save the file. And go to seed routes. Like what we did for product, do the same for the users. Duplicate that user, press tab to import user model, make it user and data.users. It's gonna be created users here and pass it here. The next step is gonna be creating users inside data. Go to data.js and before products, create users array. And inside that, I'm going to create two users, the first user and second one. For the first one, set name to your name, email to admin@example.com. But for the password, I'm going to encrypt it using bcrypt.hasasync. Set the password to 123456. Bcrypt is a package from bcrypt.js. Let's install it. Open terminal, go to a new terminal, go to backend folder and npm install bcrypt.js. Then import it here and then go for the next user. It's John. Email is user@example.com and password is bcrypt #sync 1 to 6. Is admin is false. So this user is admin is true because it's admin. And the next user is customer. Save the file and let's check the result. Open a new tab, go to localhost colon 5000/API/seed, and we have created products and created user. If you check the password here is encrypted using bcrypt.js and we have name and email and is admin. Here is true and for regular user is false. We successfully created sample users. Let's review what we did in this lesson. In package.json, we installed bcrypt.js to create encrypted password. We created user model to save user data in the database. We updated seed routes to seed sample users. And also in data.js, we created sample users. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.